Hey guys, so welcome back to another one. Guys, today I'm gonna cook. I don't want to mention what I'm gonna do because I've just realized that every time that thing knows you're about to cook it, it gets very disrespectful. This is way too low. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your life. Is that the lyrics? Alright. So what you're going to need is rice. Guys, I got basmati. I always thought it was basmatic. My fellow Ghanaians, it's basmati rice. My whole life I thought it was basmatic rice. Tomato, plum, beef meat, cucumber, salad, maize, tomato puree, 2 onions. I think I'm gonna use 3 cloves, pepper. Gonna wash my meat and then we're gonna get started. Today is the day. Yeah. I asked this man to cut up the beef. What did he cut? I want to know. I want to know my offense because what is this? Okay guys, so in water I added ginger, garlic cloves and 1 Scotch bonnet because this is what I'm gonna use to steam my meat so that I can use that juice to start the thing I'm about to do. I'm gonna smell and see if the pepper is like this pepper is spicy cheese. We're gonna add this. Okay, it's gonna be spicy, guys. I can already tell. Salt to taste. I just think it's funny that people say that. All purpose curry, garlic, some thyme, oregano, and some paprika. I blended an onion with just a tiny bit of water just so that it can blend well. And I'm gonna add it to it, so it's a bit thick. I don't know if I'm gonna add all of it, to be honest. I'm gonna add in my tomato. I forgot to add bay leaves, so I'm gonna do it now. So I'm gonna add 2. This is not quite long. Once the oil comes up, I can add in the water. These are just hacks. Yeah, the water. I'm adding it in the stove. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna let this cook for like 15 minutes again. And then I'm gonna add in my washed rice. I'm not really sure when I have to take out the bay leaves. If it's after or before the rice, I don't know why. Let me be very honest, this is the first time I'm doing it with bay leaves. I usually don't. I'm calling my mom. Hello maman, ça va? Ça va? Maman, mais Roni, hein? Si, mi Jollof. Si, mi na inke bay leaf ewo, yeah, ça m'a déjà dit comment oui. Okay. D'accord. Let's see. So I can leave it in. So this is what it looks like now. So hey, why are you jumping like that? I don't know if this is enough rice. So I put 2.5 cups of rice. So I feel like there's too much stew. Okay. First of all, I want you to look at this. Shine bright like a diamond. I can't even open my eyes. Wow. You know, black people. I forgot I had makeup on. I'm gonna start frying. Oh my god, I can smell it. It's hot. I'm gonna start frying my meat. Yeah! The meat is smelling so good. I'm gonna make this salad right now. I'm just gonna use half of this. Salt, honey mustard. No, this one is just mustard. I don't know why they didn't have honey. Honey. Let me take a buy some. And a bit of mayonnaise. Alright guys, so I made jollof. Now I can say it with my full chest. Lord, I beg you. It's not disturbing. It's looking so cute. I do feel like I maybe added too much water. I'm gonna be honest. I think I'm not here to play. The beef is sticking out this side. And I don't know if it's the rice that I don't like, but it smells extremely good. But I'm gonna taste it. I'm just gonna place it right now. Before you start, it is non-alcoholic, okay? So relax, okay? Cheers to making jollof. Actually, I'm gonna try it. Hold on. I don't think I like this. Anywho, I'm gonna take my quick picture and then try it. Guys, okay, I'm gonna be honest. I do feel like maybe I did put maybe too much water, but the flavor, the flavor is flavoring. I'm liking this. I will give it a 7. No, an 8. And it was 2 for just adding water. This is actually nice. Let me sit down. I'll see you guys on my next one.